Hello children. Today we are going to learn English grammar, nouns and the different kinds of nouns. First we will learn what is parts of speech. Parts of speech are type of words in grammar. There are many different word category. Every word in a sentence is from this category. These are mainly divided in 8 categories. There are 8 parts of speech: noun, pronoun, verb, adjective, adverb, conjunction, preposition, interjection. Today we will study the first category, nouns. What is a noun? Noun is the name of person, place, animal or thing. It may also name a feeling or idea. The words like boy, girl, Shalu, Suresh, army, rabbit, river, telephone, honesty, laughter, childhood are all nouns. In short, we can say that a noun is a naming word or a noun is the name of anything. Nouns can be classified in 3 parts. Classification 1. Common noun, proper noun, abstract noun, collective noun. Classification 2. Abstract noun and concrete nouns. Classification 3. Countable nouns and uncountable nouns. Common nouns. A noun that gives a common name to persons, places or things of the same kind without being specific. Examples: friend, boy, man, fruit, vegetable. Girl is a common noun because it refers to a girl in common without giving her name. Dog is a common noun because it refers to a dog in common without giving its name. Mountain. It refers to a mountain in general. The name of the mountain is not specified. So, girl, dog, mountain are common nouns. Proper nouns. A noun which names a particular person, place or thing is called a proper noun. A proper noun always begins with a capital letter. Examples: John, London, Pluto, France. Girl is a common noun. Susan is a proper noun because we specify the name of that girl. Dog is a common noun as it refers to a type of animal without being specific. Max is a proper noun because we specify the name of that dog. Max is the name of that dog, so Max is a proper noun. Mountain is a common noun. We do not specify its name, but Mount Everest is a proper noun because we specify the name of a mountain. Countable nouns. Nouns that can be counted are called countable nouns. Countable nouns have a singular and a plural form and can be used with number or a or an before it. Examples: book, car, bike, pen, egg. Uncountable nouns. Nouns that cannot be counted are called uncountable nouns. They often refer to substances, liquids, and abstract ideas. Example: milk, a liquid; wood, a substance or material; happiness, an abstract idea. Abstract nouns. An abstract noun is the name of some state, quality, feeling, or idea that we can only think of or feel but cannot touch or see. For example, honesty, childhood, happiness, strength, success, failure. Concrete nouns. Concrete nouns stand for something that we can see or touch, something that has a physical form, something that has a position in space. Concrete noun usually refer to people, animals, places, and things. Examples: dog, tree, apple, moon, flower. Collective nouns. A collective noun is the name of a group of people or collection of things of the same kind. Examples: class, brood, army, swarm, bundle, litter are all collective nouns. We can say a flock of birds, a bunch of grapes, a litter of kittens, a set of cutlery. Assignment. Children, do this assignment in your revision note. Identify the nouns underlined. This boy is known for his strength. Knowledge makes a man perfect. The tree is laden with fruit. India is a big country. A fleet of ships is lying on the seashore. Agra is famous for the Taj Mahal. A school of whales was spotted by the sailors. The Bible is a holy book. Thank you, children.